Good morning. It's 23rd June, 10 a.m. And then yeah, as you can see, after the weekends, market gap down, which is phenomenal. But it was as expected because we had U.S. involvement in Iranian and Israeli war, and yeah, so not surprised. I took out a partial. That's why basically we have only 400 euros running right now because I have taken two partials actually. I took one partial right here before the close, as you remember from the last episode, because I didn't want to be exposed to that kind of a risk. I took out a partial right here just before market closed, and this morning also I took out a partial because we hit 1 to 2. So yeah, we made already like 2.5k from this trade, something like that. But yeah, now we are at break even. We are risk free, obviously, and I will just wait for this, or it just stops me out to break even right now, and there's nothing really I can do. And then yeah, that's about it. Then this one piece of shit. Like we have beautiful MBs, MB1, MB2, but obviously it just gapped up because it's Monday. And yeah, right now I would want the same. Like we're building this, so give me this, and I'm taking an entry. Give me basically these two right here, and I'm taking an entry. So yeah, gold looks phenomenal. I will 100% keep following it because it just looks good, you know. So French index stopped us out on a break even, so we got this partial, and yeah, it stopped us out. And that's about it really. If I'm looking at other markets, like gold is starting to set up, I would call this as an MB1. It gapped up, so it validated it, and yeah, so all I want to see is MB1, MB2, and it's right now forming it. So we need still 9 minutes, and I will place an order, and that's really it right now. There's nothing more to say. Other markets doing nothing really. DAX is I would look like I would want to look for bearishness, but the bearishness also there isn't anything really. Euro 50 the same. So yeah, and US market is fucking look at the market. Do you really want to try trade something like this? No, there's nothing really. If you go look at daily, yeah, it starts to do this. That's not what I like, and we have war, etc. So yeah. Yeah, so I'll update if I will come back if anything happens with this trade. So I took the gold trade, and yeah, it showed beautiful candle. We are already on a break even, so yeah, risk free. Just waiting for the usual 1 to 2 and 1 to 4, and that's about it really. Good morning. It's right now 25th June. I didn't film anything yesterday, but I did take a trade. So let's start with gold trade that we had in in Monday, I think. Yeah, in Monday. So yeah, we were here. I placed my stop on a break even, as you remember. 1 to 2. My partial was right around here, and unfortunately, market stopped me out on break even, and then pushed up, and then pushed down. Actually, the Iran and Israel has found a ceasefire, found a deal. Still, there is tensions. Still, there is missiles, but it looks like it will be finally settled, and yeah, that's why market reacted so fucking bullish. Right, basically the all of the market. Nasdaq is Nasdaq is already at all-time highs almost. US 500 is also very close to all-time highs. Then DAX starts to look pretty good. It closed on daily above the EMA, so that's kind of good. What do we have here? Yeah, we don't have like the same thing goes for all of these markets. Like the same thing goes for all of these markets because like yeah, we are too extended at the moment. We have 1 2 no, from these MBs we are in a motion. This isn't really a flush, so I will take a, let's say, double MBs inside this MB, but there's still no double MBs. We could say this is the first MB, so if we create MB like this, then I will take it. If you go to weekly chart, we look pretty nice. On daily, we start to make that MB, and we are above. So potentially, Euro 50, French index still is very weak looking. We still need some time to show that strength. Italy, yeah, it starts to do something. We could call this whole thing as an MB. So there could be some kind of trades, but not really at the moment, because yeah, we need to wait for something else. But it starts to create. US oil looks like it will. Yeah, obviously, it failed completely. Our last entry on US oil was somewhere here. I don't remember exactly where. Oh, right here, yeah. And I was looking in Monday. I was looking for the same thing for continuations, but yeah, they found a ceasefire and market dropped. Then cryptos looks fucking phenomenal as well, but I need that MBs. That's what I need, and yeah, it's right now pushing. There's nothing really I can do. Yeah, so I'll be back once something new happens. Oh, I completely forgot to show you yesterday. I didn't record anything, but I took a trade. And I took fucking copper. And yeah, as you can see, V1 and V2 pushed right here, almost to 0.8 and failed. And then yeah, so yeah, this was the loss. So that's why we are back at $81,700 on the account. Good morning, it's now 26th June. Yesterday I took a Japanese trade, which was a partial and then a fucking break even. Yeah, took it right here, basically MB1, MB2, and then inside here the small 30-minute fractal, and yeah, then partial, and that's really it. Then it stopped me out at break even. Now it's fucking in the yeah, fucking pushing. So now for today, I'll be looking for basically US30, US500 DAX, and potentially copper, but probably not because there isn't anything to do. Like I need a flush again, and then new entries. If these two looks very good MBs, like clear small MBs that could push the market, and I think it will do this. Basically this. But if it wants to reset up again, then that's fucking phenomenal. But we'll see. Yeah, DAX created that MB. All this would be a stage 1. So all I want to see is a small pause and take an entry like this, either in 1 hour or let's say if it creates that MB on 30 minutes, I will take it as well. So we'll see what it does, but DAX is good. Then US30, so MB1, this could be the second MB, but it happened before the European session opened, so didn't take it, but still valid. I just want to see the same as DAX, either it's 1 hour MB, or 30-minute MB surfing the EMAs, and yeah, and the same thing goes for US 500. The US 500 doesn't have the best flush. Yeah, obviously it is some kind of a flush, but if you compare US 30 or US 500, US 30 has deeper flush, and yesterday US 30 didn't push that much in comparing to. Actually, US 500 also didn't push that much. This was the push. US 100 pushed. Yeah, US 100, by the way, Nasdaq is at all-time highs. So that's fucking phenomenal, I would say. Yeah, so Nasdaq as well, but I don't like the flush. Like, it is some kind of a flush. Then MB1, MB2 already in motion. On US 500, not so much, I would say, MB1 and MB2. So yeah, technically we could take an entry right now, just basically this MB, and yeah, let's see what is the ATR is. ATR is 49, so we need to do something like this. Actually, I will probably place an order right now on US30 because it's fucking valid, and let's try. So what's up? It's now 4 p.m. New York session will open in 30 minutes, and yeah, so we're in this trade. US30 almost got partial, but still, yeah, still waiting for that partial. We almost got stopped out at break even, but yeah, it was very close. My stop was somewhere here, and yeah, now it's retracing. Hopefully, it will push, and we will get our partial. And And yeah, that's really it. Obviously, we're risk free on it. Then I'm looking at DAX as well. Actually, I took DAX right here, but it was a break even. Basically, this has the fractal 13-minute entry. Took it, it pushed to, in this candle, it pushed to 0.8, and then it stopped me out, and then it pushed again, and now it's pushing down. So now I would say I will expect all this as an MB1, this as an MB2 if it respects the EMAs, and then if it creates fractal inside here, I will take it like this. But we'll see if it fucking even happens, you know. At the moment, nothing. US 500. Also, nothing really. This was the entry, the same entry as US 30, but I didn't take it. But yeah, I will not take this one unless it creates like 2 MBs, let's say in here, something like this I will take, but it will, like, we need at least 10 candles, and that's basically 10 hours if it wants to do it. But yeah, I think it will just push, whereas the all-time highs for S&P is right here. US 100 is already in all-time highs, like I said in the morning, but yeah, then Japanese index doing really nothing. Want to see that flush and new entries, yeah, and that's really it right now, I think. So I'm back. New York opened, and I just closed out half of the position, which is fucking fantastic. And yeah, now just waiting for the full take profit. Actually, our equity is at 91k, which is fucking phenomenal. We are very close to complete the challenge, but we will not have 100k if this trade goes to full take profit. We will still need something a little bit more. But yeah, looking fucking fantastic. Actually, I checked on one of my platforms. This fucking piece of shit stopped me out. That's fucking sad. But yeah, but not on this account. On this account, we are fucking good. Yeah, so I will be back. I'll go to the gym. It's fucking 4 p.m., but still I'll go to the gym. Late afternoon session, and yeah, I think it will not push. Maybe it will push right now. Actually, let's wait a little bit. If it scams me like this, basically, if it right now pushes back to break even, then that trading is scam. But yeah. Let's see. Actually, I will just place some take profit level. So let's check what is happening here. So I'm looking as well on Amazon, but at the moment nothing really. Overall, it's creating those MBs. Everything looks fine. But it's flushing down here, so I'm just expecting those MBs on 1 hour. Tesla is also good. I like the context. I like it, and the validation as well. So all I want to see is MB1, MB2, and yeah. Then these ones are pushing. Nothing really to do. Actually, I missed, like, I wasn't watching stocks for some time because obviously everything was bearish. But yeah, I missed this entry. This was pretty good entry. I don't know why did I miss it, you know. But yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, so let's see. Yeah, I think I will go to the gym. I don't want to wait for fucking 1 hour because it can easily retrace a little bit, then fucking consolidate, and maybe then push, or fucking stop me out and break even. Or fuck that, I'm closing it. Okay, nice. We are at 93k. Fucking phenomenal. Fucking phenomenal. So I closed it at 3.9. Good enough. So yeah, that's it for the trade. And we are at 93k, which is insane. It's right now 10 p.m. and yeah, so I took Amazon, as you can see. Yeah, it was very close to 0.8, but still not enough. I will wait for that 0.8 and then place myself on a break even. And yeah, then I took as well the DAX, basically exactly as I spoke. We have MB1, we have MB2, inside here we have fractal MB, good enough. So right now our balance is 93k, equity is 95, so we are fucking close. If these two trades hits, then we are done. But yeah, so again, like, subscribe, join our Discord, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.